Hey guys, it's been such a minute since I did a talk through video, and I just wanted to do a video on my business update. So I started my business in 2018, so now it's like almost 5 years, which is crazy. Almost 5 years. It's 4 going on 5 years since I started my business, and I don't know what I'm not mathing right, but yeah, if you guys don't know, my name is Kamika. My channel is about entrepreneurship, hair, makeup, business. That's just my whole spiel. So if you guys are new here, thank you. Welcome. Hi. It's been a while. It's really been a while. Yeah, so it's pretty much has been 4 going on 5 years, and I just want to talk about my journey, the ups, the downs, the slowness, you're not in the mood, but hey, it is what it is. So in 2018, I was working at MAC. I was like a 30-hour full-time makeup artist at MAC in 2018, and I always wear lashes. I'm known for wearing lashes. Even when I used to work at the counter, like I was the only artist that mainly wear lashes. And at the time, the trend of the 25mm was starting, which I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, it was just that time when lashes was starting to get popping, and I always wore lashes anyway. So I was like, you know what? I want to start something. I want to start a cosmetic line. I didn't have the funding to get eyeshadow and all the other cosmetics, made. So I was like, what is inexpensive that I could start, I already love, and I could kind of market? So that's when I started the whole Prim Beauty lashes. At first, I was selling my lashes to the girls at the counter and the customers at the register, because they always ask, like, what is that? Is that mink? Like, what kind of lashes are those? It's extra fluffy. It's extra nice. It's not like the MAC styles that they had at the time. So I was just selling to them, and the girls was promoting it. And then I just started to take up on social media. Like, I started promoting it on social media, and people started DMing me about where they could purchase, people from London. And it was crazy to me because I didn't know how much power social media, Instagram had at the time. I didn't know that if I could post nice pictures and tag it, that I could start making sales from it. So in 2018, that's when I launched my website and launched everything, and it took from there. Now, there were certain days, it took me about, let's say, once I started the website, actually, because I got DMs and I made sales via DMs, but I never got sales on my website, people actually going onto the website and purchasing. The first time I got that was maybe 3 months after I put my website up. I can never forget. It was someone from Florida, and I was so hyped when I got my first order. So hyped, and I was so grateful. And I was like, okay, this could possibly happen. Okay. So from there, once I got my first sale, I started figuring out marketing techniques on social media, posting more often, getting influencers to promote the brand, and that's where it took off. And then eventually, around the pandemic, when the pandemic started, everyone was in the house, everyone was online, everyone was shopping online. So that's when I made the most profit, is when I was promoting during 2020, and my business just boomed and it just skyrocketed, and it was doing really well. I think that year I made way over 10K just from selling lashes alone, which I was like, wow, like this is possible. Anything is possible when you put your mind to it. I was like, wow, I would not expect for lashes to make that much from lashes. I've seen people make 6 figures from just selling lashes. I'm not on that scale yet. I would like to be, but I knew it was possible that year. Like, okay, this business could possibly be bigger and better. And I was like, okay, the next year I kind of slowed down because unfortunately, like, I had personal things at home. Unfortunately, that year my father was very sick. I was his caretaker, and unfortunately he passed that year. So last year in 2021 was a little slow for me. I did not make like the previous year before, but I was still getting sales, but just not as daily and consistently as I was before. And that's the part of business. Like when you have a business, some days are going to be good and some days are going to be slow. It could be months, it could be seasons, and you just have to roll and adapt to it. And I knew that was okay. I was grateful that I had other sums of income and other things that I had coming in, so I didn't have to really like freak out or be frustrated about it. And also lashes, everyone could get lashes. There's so many lash businesses right now currently. It's just your preference and what style you like and who you like shopping with and the price point right now. So right now I've upped my products and I changed. Right now I have like this cute, hold on. Right now I have like this cute like portable heat comb, which I love because you could just, it's good for like sleeking down the hair. Is this on? Great, the battery is dead. I didn't charge it. But it's a portable flat iron that you could travel, put in your bag. It has a USB cord that you can use, which I've been selling and it's been doing great. You also have to learn when you run a business, you have to incorporate new products, test new products, see what works, who's gonna like it. So I added this, and then I also added a flat iron, which is portable as well. And it's super cute. These are not as hot as traditional hot combs or flat irons because they're portable and you don't want to put this in your bag and burn items. You want something that's not as hot, but this is great when you're traveling, if you want to just touch up, if you just want to fix a little something real quick and look, presentable and nice while you're traveling or in the car. These items are really cute and useful, which I think is brilliant. And I also have it in another color as well. I have it in green, like this deep forest green. See? I have it in this deep, nice forest green. And I have the comb too. But this business journey, I'm still learning every single day. Every day I'm still persevering and trying to do different things to incorporate in my business. And my business is taking off. It's slowly getting bigger and bigger, which I'm grateful for. I know people on social media make business seem like it's very easy, and it's not whatsoever. It's very difficult. Every day you're learning something new. Every day you're trying to figure it out. Every day you're studying, you're working a 9 to 5, it's 24/7. It's not a 9 to 5. So just keep that in mind if you want to start a business. The payoff is good. You can work whenever, wherever. You don't have to clock in or clock out. But the consistency of money coming in, it's not like a 9 to 5 where you're going to get a certain amount or certain check every single day. That's the only issue when it comes to business. You have to really hustle and try very hard to get a certain amount of income coming in. And you just got to be strong and push through it, because every day there's a whirlwind of emotions. One day you're up, next minute you're down, next minute you're confused, next minute you're trying to figure it out. And that has been my journey for the past 4 or 5 years. I do have other sides of income. I do freelance as a makeup artist as well. I've been doing that since I worked at MAC. So I freelance and do that. Sometimes I do hair. And then I also have the online business as well. And you just have to supplement your income, until you could get a full amount of funding to live or finance your lifestyle, your life, and your needs. So my journey has been beautiful so far. I love entrepreneurship and I want to expand and scale. My future goals is possibly, open up a suite, a salon, a storefront, God willing. Hopefully like within 2-3 years I look back and be like, yeah, I did that. I opened up the salon. I remember my first video on this YouTube channel. It was about me getting fired from Mac. I took that video down because, you know, I never knew if I might work back for the company or freelance for the company. So I took that video out. And I also put another video of how I started my business years ago, and that video right now probably has like 10K, maybe close to 10K views, and I think that's the biggest views, the largest amount of views that I do have right now on the site. So it's like one of my biggest videos, the how to start a lash business. I think I posted that in 2019, I believe, and I think it's close to 10K. I don't think it's exactly 10K, but that's the highest views I have so far to this date. It's just amazing, you know. Entrepreneurship is just helping others, and you're learning, and you're picking other people's brain, you're networking and connecting. That is very important when it comes to business, and every day I'm continuously learning and educating myself and pushing through and watching a ton of videos on YouTube and following a ton of people on Instagram and TikTok and just learning. And that's the part of business that you need to do. Every day is a learning experience. Every day you're finding something new, and every day is a different journey, is a different path, in a different emotion. So you just have to like keep persevering and keep pushing through that. But my journey has been great so far. I'm so excited about these new items. I know they're gonna hit because everyone on Instagram is pushing it. I've been trying to promote it on TikTok. And if you guys haven't followed me, please follow me on my pages. It's Mommy Mika, and then it's Prim B Beauty is my business, and it's Prim B Beauty on TikTok. So y'all need to follow and support your girl. But I'm telling you, this is the next thing. These portable flat irons is like, I don't know why it's dead, but it's just, it's perfect. Comb through, smooth out. And these flat irons, this one's dead too, I bet you. Yeah, I didn't charge them because I've been using them and promoting and creating content with them, so they probably died while I've recorded this video. But y'all go on my Instagram and see how it's done and how it looks. But these are gonna be it, okay? Cordless is it. It's the new wave, and I'm thinking about possibly doing wholesale with these because a few girls have DM'd me about wholesaling these items, so I might wholesale this like I was wholesaling some of my lashes as well. So stay tuned for that. But I don't want to make this video past 10 minutes. I just wanted to do a quick update. You know, 2023 is around the corner, and I want to know what everyone's goals are. My goals is to take my brand up a little bit more, expand a little bit more, just get better at business and scale. So that's my goal for 2023, and travel as well. So I try to put a travel vlog on here, but y'all don't want travel. Y'all want to do the hair, the makeup, and the business. So I'm just going to keep this channel to that. I'm not going to show a vlog of me traveling or recapping or anything like that, like when I went to Greece. I just came here to tell y'all about my journey and just recap. And we're going to see what this business is going to take in another 5 years. Hopefully it scales and it grows. And if you guys have any questions about business, anything you would like to ask me, please message me, DM me. I'll try to respond. I try my best to respond to everybody and comment to every comment. So yeah, I thank you so much, and let's get the bag in 2023. Bye. One time you tell me one time when your eyes open,